shit's gonna yo down the street, bro. Shooting, another shooting over here with the car. Cops coming, bro. 5-0.
Doing well, dog. Yeah. Me and all my yeah. Me and all my niggas doing well, dog. You not from the city, I can tell, dog. Get it by myself, dog. Grew up and I'm in the city still, I'm still here, dog. And I'm still in the same city with the same damn niggas. I can't lie, in the city, dog, I did a whole lot in it. Now I'm back with it, niggas stepped on me like a mattress, so I shit on them with the laxative. Niggas gang clipped the fake act, and I got a whole lot of go on it. Yeah. Niggas talking up like they know me. Yeah. Nigga can't come alive from the moon, that nigga. Wanna kill me, then do that, nigga. If you talking money, then show me. Yeah. The 6 is crazy, I won't lie to you. If I don't make it, mama, I'm proud of you. I got fam and they all gon' ride for me. Yeah, they'll die for me too. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Me and all my niggas doing well, dog. You not from the city, I can tell, dog. Get it by myself, dog. Grew up and I'm in the city still, I'm still here, dog. My niggas counting on me like my bank deposits, bro. Yeah. You never hate a talking, then I swear you gotta go. Niggas talking shit until I pull up in a door. They went down on me, so I had to let them know. I been on my motherfucking job, yeah.
Stop up the hood, it's locked.
You're a op, yeah. She asked me why I'm always with my mob, and I told that bitch gang. All these hoes 1K, ding-a-lang. When I was down, my phone never rang. Now I'm up, everybody wanna hang. Fuck that shit, you were never there. Any nigga this can disappear. MG sound, know you feeling this. See a God when I'm staring in the mirror. Okay, me and all my niggas doing well, dog. Not from the city, I can tell, dog. Get it by myself, dog. You up and I'm in the city still, I'm still here, dog. And I'm still here. In the city, I'm they just talking for the show, yeah. Got a baddie and she go, she go up and down on the pole. She'll do anything for that gold. For that money. I touch a road and then I go.
Heading back from the meet, getting pulled over for no reason at all.
Can I ask if he knows my cousin?
Yeah, ask if he knows your cousin. Bree's cousin's a cop. No, seriously, ask. He's getting me for my exhaust, my camber, and the wheel sticking out too far. Okay, so no ticket, just a verbal warning. He said, and I quote, your wheel is on the fender. Are you even low, bro? So the car meet was sick. I didn't get a ticket, and it's been a pretty successful day, actually. So let's leave it on a good note and catch me in the next video. All right, guys, peace.